Hey guys. Aw.
Ryan.
PA Outdoors couple. We are banging out these bridges videos. And it is a hot day, but it's worth it for you guys to get this content for us. Everything is cool. We're having a great day doing it. Have some luck at the draw. Had some good times.
We're all kind of close.
We found it.
Taking a little.
Knisley covered bridge, or Knisley, or Knisley, or Knisley bridge. Knisley.
No.
So Knisley, Knisley, Lee, as L-E-Y, remain Lee, you know, so that's how I say it. But we're gonna take you over here. Obviously, it's no longer used. It's one of the retired bridges, but it's another open bridge. I believe it also crosses the Dunnings Creek. We're going to get some information about when it was built and stuff like that. And it's the Dr. Knisley covered bridge, by the way, too. Makes it extra super fancy, apparently. So we'll be right back. See you there. All right, we got some we got some mushies up there, and I believe there's a walnut trees or something. No, but there is some mushies there. Old shelfies. Was it a beech tree? What is it?
I don't know, but see the little pod thing there?
Oh, okay, yeah. Oh, right there, yeah. Oh, is that that's a walnut tree. That's what I'm looking at. Holes?
Yeah, there's lots of holes in the ground.
Yeah. Oh, look at this little creek line. Ooh, a little bit of a mini waterfall. Of course, PAOutdoors covered bridge.
Oh, let's go down the other side.
Yeah, we're going to, for sure. Is the only covered bridge with a waterfall under it. However, we went there. Hey, there's a little piece of history. April 17th, OES 1891. That's pretty cool. This has some this way, some that way. Creek sounds nice underneath it, and it just goes into a nice picturesque place. Wow, nice farm fields. I think this is the nicest the other side of a covered bridge has ever been.
Well, yeah, it doesn't go to except for you can see the Dollar General across the street.
Oh, well, yeah. Well, they can't help that, but it just opens the farm field.
Yeah,
and
this is really pretty.
It is super. This is like picnic territory.
It is. Let's go down around that way. Look,
Yeah.
some pine trees.
Absolutely. There's some deep water shadows over there, too. There might be some nice...
Look at both sides.
There might be some fish over there.
Watch for holes.
There's some more holes over here. Oh, wow. Yeah. In shade, too. There's shade over here. We got one more bridge to go to today. The Snooks covered bridge. There's stuff hitting the water over there. There's a woodpecker. He's just landed on that tree. He's jumping around. Boink, 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 boink. Then, on the way back home, we're going to be hitting the Halls Mill covered bridge up near Raystown Lake on the bottom part of it. And there's a Dollar General. What do we do, Dodo? Maybe we should. Should we show people what we do? No, okay.
No.
No. Be nice. Be nice.
That's our thing.
It's our thing.
Oh, here you go. What are they? Hickory nuts.
Hickory nuts. Or bitter shell hickory.
Hickory. Some kind of hickory. So like, don't twist your ankle on these roly-polies.
Bitter nut hickory.
I don't know my shells or my nuts.
That's why we watch Adam, Learn Your Land. He lets us know all these things. Shout out. There we go. That's a nice side view. Back it up a bit. There you go. There's a nice one for the cover. Back in. Whew.
Sandy.
Sandy. Yeah, this one's sandy too. Something's been happening in the sand.
Yeah, but we can get under this way.
Yep. Oh yeah, I'm looking forward to it. Woo! Woo! There we go. A nice little, maybe this would be a nice little trout section. It's all dammed up. I see some minnows floating around in there. Having a good time. There's all the original wood. Some cracked parts, obviously. Oh, big old skips. She's into the skipping already. She's skipping mania.
Boom! Hit the other side.
Bam. Very peaceful here.
Yeah, I could get in there.
She wants to get in there and get wet and have fun.
She does not like the crawfish water.
No.
I'm gonna splash around, cool down. Where's the mountain water? Actually, it looks a little foggy.
Yeah.
But you can see through the bottom.
Yeah, that's nice.
There's a little minnow.
Especially the deep part over here.
You'll get fish kisses on your toes.
Fish kisses. I'd actually go over here in the stream. Look at this nice deep section here. Yeah, that's real nice.
I would think I'd swim here.
Dang right, I'd be right in here. That's a deep one right there. Oh, there's a sucker fish right there. Looks like it. I don't think it's a trout. It might be actually. Thought it was a sucker fish at first, but she's a trout. Maybe. I can't see it very well. The camera probably sees it way better than I do. Yeah, it's got some fish in here. So here it is. Let's get back into the bridge. There it is. Beautiful, beautiful area. And it just opens up to that beautiful forest / pasture, which is really nice. Beautiful little creek that flows under this bridge too. If there was an ice cream place next to it, it would be 100%. Beautiful. Yeah, I'm sweaty. It is hot out.
Coming back, Marcy.
Coming back. Signing off. And we're going to sign off, and we'll see you in a second.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. There we are, underneath the shade, thankfully, of the Knisley covered bridge.
Knisley.
Knisley, thank you. Knisley covered bridge.
We think.
We think. This has been Paul.
Ryan.
The Outdoors Couple. Cheers.
Get outdoors.
And stay cool.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.